Okay, so we're sitting in my 2013 F150 FX4, and every time I would hit the remote start or unlock my truck or get in or do anything, that passenger side mirror right there would make a really loud clicking noise. So I tried just messing around, moving all the mirrors around a whole bunch, blah, blah, blah. None of that worked. So in page 165 in owner's manual, it talks about programming memory positions. So if you follow those instructions, what I think happened was it resynchronized the mirrors. All I did was I moved all the mirrors around a whole bunch. I had the truck running. I moved that mirror around a whole bunch. I moved the other mirror around. I moved my seat back and forth just for the heck of it. And then I came over here to this button, this number 1 auto seat memory button right there. And I pushed it down for 3 seconds. And you hear that? The truck like made a chiming noise. After I did that, the truck no longer makes the clicking noise and the mirror works perfectly. So I don't know if maybe I just accidentally resynchronized the mirrors or something, but man, it worked and it has not made a noise since, and it's been clicking for a couple months now, so I'm kind of amazed it was that easy. If anybody wants to give me some feedback on that, I'd highly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.